Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, DigiSite. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open LinkedIn account. So firstly, launch LinkedIn application on your mobile device. Now, once you're here, you'll see various options to continue. So for now, I'm just going to tap on the option of agree and join in order to sign up. So first of all, you have to enter your first name, then enter your last name as well. After this, tap on the option of continue. Then you have to add your email address here. Now tap on the option of continue again. Now you simply have to create a strong password for your account. Make sure that it is of 6 or more characters. After that, you have to tap on the option of continue again. Let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now you have to complete a security check over here. Tap on the option of verify. Now follow these instructions. After that, you will come to this page. Now simply add your location and then tap on the option of next at the bottom. Now over here, you can see the option of I'm a student. You can turn this toggle off, or you can also turn this toggle on if you wish to. Now you have to add your most recent job title over here. Just select any of these options from these list given, or you can search for one. And then you have to select the employment type. Select according to your choice and then tap on the option of next again. Now over here, if you wish to, you can add a photo for your LinkedIn account, or you can tap on skip for now. After this, you have to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address. Once you enter the code, you will successfully be able to open your LinkedIn account. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.